Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I achieved this stunning natural looking hairstyle, so keep watching to see all the details. So the hair that I'm going to be using today is from Curlsqueen, and this is how everything looks like inside. We have this little goodie bag that has everything that you might need when installing the hair. Also, we have this hair bonnet and the heating tool that we are going to need when installing the hair. The hair texture that I got is 4B4C hair texture, which is similar to my own hair, but if your hair is different from mine, you don't have to worry at all. The brand has a lot of options you can choose from. So I have two bundles of the hair. These are called K-tips, which stand for keratin tips. So these have keratin bonds which are heat activated, and this top part of the hair, those are the keratin bonds. So when you use the hot tool, it will gently melt the keratin, and that's how it's going to be attached to your hair. Since my hair is already blow dried, I went ahead and blow dried the extensions as well because I want my hair and the extensions to be stretched before the installation. So this is how I sectioned out my hair. I want this install to be very versatile, so I left out hair around the perimeter so that I can be able to put my hair up in a ponytail. Also, I left out hair for my middle part and the side part. I've already started installing the hair, and that's how it's looking like, and that's how the back looks like. So now I'm going to show you how you can install this hair step by step. So first I'm going to cut each hair piece in half because this way the hair will look less bulky at the roots, and that's how the hair looks before and after cutting. Then I'm going to grab my hot tool that came with the hair, then I'm going to turn it on just like that. Then it should heat up in a minute or so. So that's how much hair I'll be sectioning out for each of my row, and for this installation I asked my little sister to help me out just because I kept placing the hot tool on my scalp, and she ended up helping me with the entire installation. So now you're going to grab one of the cut pieces of the extensions, then you're going to place it close to your roots. Then you're going to grab your hot tool, then you're going to heat up that keratin bond for some few seconds, maybe 5 to 8 seconds. Then once melted, you're going to roll that part with your fingers to secure. Again, you're going to grab one piece of the cut extensions, then you're going to place it close to your roots. Then you're going to grab your hot tool, then you're going to heat up that keratin bond for some few seconds, like 5 to 8 seconds. Then once melted, you're going to roll that part with your fingers to secure. Also, make sure that when you're placing your hairpiece close to your roots, you don't place it on your scalp because it will be difficult for you to flip the hair. So putting your hair up in a ponytail might be difficult because of that. So make sure that you leave a tiny little space, as you can see there. So this part here is not sped up, it's in real time, so you can see it doesn't really take much time to melt the keratin bond, so it only takes like 5 to 8 seconds. Now we are done with the back of my head, and this is how the hair is looking like. So you can definitely ask someone to help you out with this installation because it's really easy and simple to install. And this is how the hair looked after we were done with the installation. So now I'm going to undo my leave out, then we are going to move on to styling. So as you can see, my hair blended perfectly with the extensions. The only thing that I have to do is comb out my leave out because it was braided down, so you can see it's a bit curly. And the style that I'm going to do is a twist and curl. So first I'm going to moisturize my hair, and I'm going to be using this moisturizing cream from Relax. I'm going to take a small amount, then I'm going to apply it to the hair, then I'm going to detangle that section. Then I'm going to apply this foaming mousse from Nourish and Shine. I'll make sure that every strand is fully coated. Then I'm going to detangle that section again. Then I'll start twisting the hair. And when I reach towards the end of each twist, I'm going to use these pen rods. I'm going to roll the hair on the rod, then I'm going to secure it, and this will make the ends more curly. And once you're done your twist, you look like that. So now I'm going to let my hair dry overnight, and then I'm going to show you the final look. And this is the final look. So this is how the hair looked after taking down the twist. I was going for a more natural looking hairstyle, and this is exactly how I wanted my hair to look like. And as you can see, I can wear this hair up in a puff, wear it down, have a middle part, have a side part. You can wear this hairstyle in so many ways. It's so versatile. So this is one of the ways that I style this hair, and I'm going to show you another way that you can style this hair to make it look a bit different, and this is by using any curling tool. So I went ahead and did this style off camera, and this is the curling wand that I used, and these are the results. I'm so obsessed with this hairstyle. It's so versatile, and you can style it in so many ways as how you would normally style your natural hair. And after staying with it for more than a month, I was able to wash this hair with no issues at all. The hair stayed in place and it didn't come off. And with proper care, you can stay with this hair even up to 6 months. So all you have to do is choose the right texture for a seamless blend. And again, the hair that I'm using is from Curlsqueen, and this is their K-Tip human hair extensions, and I'm using for B4C hair texture. All details of this hair will be linked down below, so make sure to check that out. I also have a coupon code that you can use to save some coins on your purchase. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.